Stop, you're watching a race no crowd can see. A lone runner cuts the empty dawn, footsteps drumming answers to yesterday's doubt. Air burns, calves shake, but the stubborn rhythm refuses permission to quit. Speed is a rumor, consistency is the truth that rewrites limits mile by mile. The city stays asleep while he forges a louder heartbeat inside his chest. No medal waits here, only proof that effort compounds quietly. Run again, the finish line you're after lives in who you become on the way. Keep going, attention beats comfort.